Okay, I think we're live now. Good evening, everyone, or good afternoon, depending where you are in the United States. Welcome to the Azure Government Meetup. Tonight, we're going to talk about strategies to stand up a modern Gov software factory or cloud PMO. Welcome to the conversation. For those who like to be on social media, our hashtag is hashtag Azure Gov Meetup. So please track us and join the conversation as we move forward. So with that, let me introduce myself and my co-founder name is Karina Hami. I'm a senior director at Microsoft, Azure Government, and founder of this Meetup community. And then Vishwas Lele, he's a CTO at AIS, and he's also a Microsoft MVP. We really are very thankful for everybody attending tonight and contributing. So even before we start, thanks to our speakers who volunteered their time tonight to contribute to this amazing agenda. And for those of you who are joining the call, thank you for contributing to the community and spreading the word about what we're doing and joining that conversation here. So we always like to start off why we created this community. We really wanted a free and open environment to create that community of practitioners. We really wanted a place that was a non-sales kind of environment where we could talk about case studies, lessons learned, have that direct dialogue with Azure Government product team, and create that government-focused community, showcasing innovation and whatnot. So as I mentioned before, you can join the conversation on social media and definitely join the platform if you haven't already on the Meetup platform, where we're going to have all the updates. Our meetups are monthly, and so we will keep delivering those new content and agendas and every meetup, always asking for volunteers. So if you have a topic or speaker idea, please send me an email. You could also reach us through the platform, but we're open to any speaker ideas or topics that you want to hear about. Also, we do these monthly. So our next one, we're actually going to talk about AI in depth. That's September 30th. So check that out. We'll be publishing that agenda shortly afterwards. All these meetups start at 6:30 Eastern time, and they're virtual as we are getting through COVID. So hopefully one day we'll get back together. But until then, we really appreciate everyone meeting online. So with that, we do like to just give you updates of what's going on. The next big Microsoft event is Microsoft Ignite. That's September 22nd to 24th, and that's all virtual. So make sure you sign up and join. They always record all the sessions, so there'll be a wealth of a library of things that you can access. But as well, any of these meetups, if you weren't attending live, we do have a meetup channel on YouTube, and you can see that playlist. Also, if you need to learn anything on Azure, go to Microsoft Learn. And so also our team actually produces all the Azure Gov blogs for the developers. So check us out there. And anything on LinkedIn, we have a group there. So excited for you to join us. So with that, I really want to jump into our agenda because, again, we've got some great speakers. Our first presentation will be from Bob Ritchie. He's the Vice President of Software Practice for SAIC, very involved in Cloud One and what they're doing in a community of practice around their cloud PMO. So we'll have those success factors that he's going to dive into. That's going to be followed up by one of our engineers, product engineers from Microsoft, and the Chief Transformation Architect of CloudFit. They're going to do an amazing demo on automated Gov software factory in Azure. And lastly, our panel, which is always a fun part for me, to just ask questions on really what are the strategies we're using as they modernize in the cloud, specifically how they're using standing up these software factories or accelerating their apps into production, and how cloud PMOs support that modernization effort. So we have Joy from our FDA, and then we have Irvin Ingram from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and Jason Kane, who's our chief architect for Microsoft Federal. So anyway, with that, I really want to get right into it. With that, we'll go right into Bob Ritchie's presentation. So with that, take it away, Bob.